John, thank you. Very good morning to you. I think Miriam had it absolutely right in that she was heading down into the southern parts of the British Isles. And if you have got some time off in the coming week, then it's probably going to be the case that England and Wales are going to fare a little bit better than Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, whatever the vagaries of the weather have been thrown at you over the growing season, you've probably fared a good deal better than your European partners, where they've faced not only floods through last summer, but also a cold winter, late season frost, and a summer drought as well. Now, you can't please all the people all the time, and this summer drought has meant prolonged spells of sunshine, and it looks as though that's doing wonders for the European wine harvest, particularly in France, where they're expecting quite an exceptional year. And a couple of weeks ago, you may remember I was talking about the potential for heat stress as we hit the record weather as we experienced it during the last weekend, and the Irish Agricultural Ministry are still putting out warnings about the potential problems for livestock as well. I don't think they've got much of a problem today in the short term, certainly, because there's quite a band of cloud, you'll notice. They're draped across western Scotland, much of Northern Ireland, and it's been thick enough for the odd spot of rain right from the word go this morning, particularly over the west. And the general trend, as you'll notice here, is to drag that weather just a little bit further towards the east as the day has progressed. But it's a slow old affair. So I think we'll see little bits and pieces of rain eventually getting into Northern Ireland as a general rule, through western Scotland too. Ahead of that main cloud band, I think we may well find one or two showers across the western side of Wales and England as the afternoon progresses. The dry and finer weather coming across central and eastern areas. When you keep the sunshine, you could get up to around about 22 or 23 degrees. Come this evening, perhaps the odd heavier burst as the front itself works its way in across Ireland into the western side of Scotland. Thickening cloud eventually bringing that rain into the far west of Wales and to the southwest of England too. But with all that cloud around, it's going to be quite a mild night. But it does mean it's going to be a wet old start to the day across Scotland. Perhaps a band of weather gradually easing its way down across England and Wales, but showery bursts rather than anything more coherent. Some places may stay dry altogether, and it may well not get into the southeast until really quite late on in the day, perhaps into the evening time. By that stage, we'll see some really hefty showers getting into the western side of Scotland and across Northern Ireland as well. And that really won't do much for the temperatures, but in the south, where you keep any sunshine, well, you could be looking at 24 or 25 degrees. Now, having got over that rather unsettled start to the week, we then established the pattern that will see us through much of the rest of the week. Dry for many parts of England and Wales, a good deal more unsettled further north. Low pressure at the moment, but just notice as we move on through the week, we keep this high pressure building in across much of England and Wales. These kinks in the isobars, well, they may well house some bands of cloud and rain getting in across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So that may well be the way of it, even as far ahead as the coming holiday weekend. So for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, the very best of any sunshine going across the southern parts of both England and Wales. Just notice it's always that bit cloudy with the odd spell of rain or drizzle for Scotland and at times Northern Ireland too. And as I say, we extend that right through to Thursday. Of course, more details here on BBC TV, the website or on Ceefax.